Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an egg diet plan to lose weight up to 10 kgs. This diet plan is rich in protein and low in carbs and very easy to follow. Can you please subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below so that you don't miss out on any new video released from my channel. Egg is not only high in protein but it's got many other nutrition value. This diet plan will really give you amazing results.
Start your day with 500 ml of fat burning drink for summer or winter depending on the weather from my channel. I will provide the links to fat burning drinks here and in the description area. You can have breakfast and tea after an hour. For breakfast you can have 2 egg white spinach mushroom omelette. Egg is super nutritious and contains vitamin A, B2, B5, B6, B12, vitamin D and E. Also excellent source of selenium and calcium. Mushrooms are zero-calorie food and rich in minerals and vitamins. Spinach is also excellent source of vitamins and iron. For this omelette you need 2 eggs and first separate the egg yolk from egg white. Beat egg whites using a fork. Chop 4 mushrooms, some spinach and 1 onion. Take 1 teaspoon cooking oil in a pan and add onions and mushroom into it. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add some salt and red chili flakes or can add green chilies. Now add spinach and cook for another 2 minutes and then add egg whites. This omelette is super nutritious and will give your morning a great start. You can have this omelette with black tea, black coffee or green tea. Now let's look at the lunch option. For lunch you can have 2 boiled eggs with veg salad. For veg salad, chop 1 pepper. Peppers are very high in vitamins and low in calories. Chop about half a cucumber. Cucumber contains 95% of water and very low in calorie, so very good option for weight loss. Chop 1 carrot. Carrots are high in vitamin A and low in calories. And finally, you can add some lettuce to your salad. This lunch option is low in calorie but will keep you full. For evening snacks at 4 p.m., we can have apple watermelon salad. For the salad, take 1 apple and 1 slice of melon. If you can't find watermelon, then you can choose any melon of your choice. Apple keeps you full and suppresses the appetite. Watermelon contains 90% of water, so will keep your body hydrated and is low in calories. Dinner option is egg white veg soup. This soup is one of my favorites, so highly recommended as it's going to be one of the delicious meal of the day. Take 1 spoon cooking oil in a pan and add 1 chopped onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add ginger and garlic paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 chopped carrot, some green beans and half a cup sweet corn. Cook the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes, then add some chilies, some salt and some garam masala and add 2 spoons of soy sauce. Now add 1 glass of water and let the veggies cook for 5 minutes. And finally add 2 egg whites to the soup. This soup is very tasty, filling and low in calorie. Have 1 glass of fat burning drink after 1 hour of dinner. This will help your body to burn fat while you're sleeping. When you're on a diet plan, it's very important to keep your body hydrated by eating the food items high in water content and by drinking about 2 liters of water a day.
If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video released from my channel. Thank you.